Hey guys, my name's Olivia and I work for the Servant Leadership Institute, and I'm here to let you know that this is the last week to enter our giveaway. On September 1st, we are announcing 2 lucky winners who will receive a copy of our brand new book, Equipped to Serve: 100 Ways to Help the Ones You Lead. This amazing book is the perfect guide to practical resources you can use to implement servant leadership into your day-to-day interactions. Equipped to Serve was written by our very own Art Barter and Carol Malinsky to inspire its readers to step out of their comfort zones and build strong, longer-lasting interpersonal connections. Use Equipped to Serve to reflect and dive deeper into those connections with your coworkers, family members, and friends. We are over the moon excited to bring this book to you, and we hope you enjoy it as much as we've enjoyed bringing it to life. Visit our website today to enter our giveaway, or purchase a copy online at Amazon or barnesandnoble.com. Winners will be announced September 1st. Good luck!